Hey, Justin Rasmussen here with Razco. Today we're going to talk about mounting our ROMR mounts to all of our available backpack models. First up, we're going to cover Molle. So in this example, we've got a Kifaru. They'll also go on anything with a standard Molle on the waist belt or a laser cut Molle on the waist belt here. So first thing we're going to do is grab our mount, and on the mount they have these two little tabs. You're going to lift up on those and this gate swings open. So do that for both of them. Figure out where on your waist belt you want it, and you just slide these right through the Molle. And then ensure that these latches close again. All right, that's it. Now you're ready to mount your shell to your pack. All right, next up we got Stone Glacier. These take a specific mount, and you have to undo both of these webbings here. And then you'll thread the mount through just like you would any mount, any holster mount onto your belt. So it goes through the front, around the back, back out the front. Do that on both straps. Through the front, around the back, back out the front. And then you're going to cinch up these webbings tight. Okay, and then I like to take the tails and stick that back behind here as well. So if you just stick a finger back here, it gives you a little room and you can thread it back there, get a hold of it, pull it tight behind the mount here. What I do is I take my finger and stick it between the strap and the mount. That gives the room for the strap to slide in there. And then I can pull once I get it started. That gives you a nice clean install without any straps in the way. There you go, Stone Glacier's ready to go. Ready to mount the holster. All right, next up we got the Mystery Ranch. They have a little bit different Molle. It's kind of a micro Molle, so we have a different mount for that. They open the exact same way as the regular Molle. You lift these two tabs here, swing the gate open. So do that on both. And then we're going to slide that behind the Molle webbing, both rows. Push that all the way down. And again, ensure that these latch closed. There we are, Mystery Ranch ready to go. All right, last up we have our Exo K3 or K2 version. So on this, again, we need to get this strap undone. So on these, they Velcro from the back. Take the strap out, and we're going to weave this onto the mount, same way. So in the front, around the back, back out the front, back through the buckle on the back, or on the waist belt, and then get that tightened back up. And there we go. Exo's ready to go. So there we go. We got all your backpack needs covered.